Yeah. So you're just gonna get a whole new filter?
Yeah, I'm gonna put the Brita filter there. The filter is like $17.
Yeah, let's just get a new one and just have these to replace them instead of buying a whole new one every time. Either or is fine. I mean, it's gonna push out the same way. Hi. Restocked up. But yeah, there's the yellow ones, these ones. I don't really think the color matters. They're just for guests and us. He'll be coming in taking all the towels. I guess when you got a price like this, it's just like stack it.
You gotta wash too.
Yeah. Heck, there's still some up there in an unopened pack. I don't know if those are the same ones.
Lavender ones?
Yeah, I don't know if they're the same kind though.
Yeah. You want the ones like that unopened pack?
Kind of, sort of, yeah. Just for my OCD. We are just chilling today. We decided to go out to BurgerFi out here in Williamsburg, and the burger was really good. Aside from Caden being a little extra today, I don't know what's going on with Caden, but he's just been really clingy, really touchy, really irritable lately. I'm assuming it has something to do with him teething, so I gave him some kids Motrin. Hopefully that alleviates his pain, because I don't like to see him in pain. Right now we're out at the park. It's a really nice park out here, so it's really calm. We got baby Cam knocked out. Hopefully we can get some good footage of Caden playing. I think he's actually about to come down the slide, so give me 1 sec. Go ahead.
I'm coming to get
you. You didn't like that one?
Did he tumble down backwards?
He kind of started turning. I think I like the straight slides first right now.
Tumble down the big slide.
That's a bit big. No, I don't think he's ready for that, babe. You going down with him? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
You know some of these slides be snatching your skin off.
Feeling better.
You feeling better, baby? Cam's up. They don't have any baby swings?
It's a
Okay, this will be an epic fail.
You gotta hold on. Yeah.
Come on, sweetie, you gotta hold on. Hi, baby.
See.
Whee! I guess he likes that.
Ready?
Go ahead. My stomach dropped.
Why your stomach drop?
I don't know if you guys can really see me. It's really peaceful at this park. I love it out here. And just sitting out here, it's giving me time to reflect. And first and foremost, thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel and supporting my other videos, especially with me being a two-child mother and trying to push out content as much as I can, as fast as I can. I really appreciate you all. Honestly, I'll say this go around, I'm taking it a lot more seriously, and I'm really putting my all into the work that I give you, and I hope you guys can see that. Give me 1 second because Cam's hungry and he is not having it. Come on, Mr. Bonnet.
Mr. What? Oh. Well, who the fuck is Mr. Bonnet?
Kaden, you might want to get out the way.
Oh my god. Boy.
Why is my baby thing down?
What do you mean? It's a collapsible room.
Oh, okay. I said, dang, already?
Come on. That's what they make moving rooms for. Pick.
Fuck him up, Kaden.
He got my pants and everything.
Fuck him up.
Good screen, son. You're a great offensive player.
Caden's the referee. He blowing the whistle.
One of the refs that just getting away.
What are you eating? Hold on. You got hair in his mouth or something? Caden, that's disgusting. What are you doing?
I think he just there. Bitch. On the cricket rim. Better ask about me, bro.
Caden, come here. You kind of in the way.
MVP.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Look at him. Katie got better defense than you.
That don't count. Gonna do a jump ball for that one. Kaden was in the way.
Boo!